Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to report your USAA Bank ATM/debit cards lost or stolen. Let's get started. First, open the USAA Bank mobile app on your phone and log into your account. Select your account. From your account dashboard, choose the bank account linked to the lost or stolen card. Select My Card. Under your selected account, tap on the My Card option to manage your debit card. Select Replace Card. Tap on the option labeled Replace Card to begin the replacement process. Select the reason. Select I lost my card or it may have been stolen, then select Next. Select your lost or stolen card, S. Then tap Next to continue. Enter your new PIN and tap Next. You'll be prompted to create a new 4-digit PIN for your replacement card. Verify your mailing address, then self-submit. Your new card is on its way. And that's it. You've successfully reported your USAA Bank ATM/debit cards lost or stolen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.